Yo, 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 it's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fellow, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall, and I've returned today with another ADH Wealth solution. Today, we'll begin to discuss fulfilling all of your financial needs. To contribute to channel growth, the links are in the description. To schedule an appointment of your own, or to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with no medical exam and an instant decision, my information is in the description. Lastly, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. And now, here's our next feature.
Salute, 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 salute. It's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall, and I've returned today to whap and tap on your head with another ADH Wealth solution. Today's article is entitled, Getting Your Tax Refund May Take Way Longer Than Usual This Year. An article from Money.com by Julia Glum, January 13th, 2022. So today. Before we go in, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth, to schedule a one-on-one appointment with a licensed financial professional, or to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with an instant decision and no medical exam, the links are in the description. Tax season is scheduled to officially begin on January 24th, and according to the Taxpayer Advocate Service, which, pause, if you have issues with taxes, stop going to H&R Block and all that. If you make under $50,000, you can get your taxes done by an actual IRS agent. Just go to your local federal building. If you have tax issues, you don't need to call tax help and all that. You can actually call the IRS directly and ask for Taxpayer Advocate, and they will assist you for free fucking 99. That's what your tax dollars pay for. An independent watchdog and advocacy group within the IRS. The outlook for the upcoming filing season is bleak. That's also because, thanks to your daddy Joe Biden and not signing a continuing resolution, there's no budget for the IRS. So as much as we dislike the IRS, they're the only revenue-generating branch of the federal government. So we need the IRS to take those monies so that we can have things like public schools that suck, and police forces that suck, and fire departments that suck. Imagine if we didn't have those tax advantages. We'd call 911 and the cops would be like, how many cops you need? Okay, you need 10 officers. We need you to cash app us $500. It's $50 per officer. Think I'm joking. Anyway, the comments came in the group's annual report to Congress, released by its head national taxpayer advocate, Erin M. Collins, on Wednesday. While she acknowledged the quick work the IRS did last year with the child tax credit and stimulus check payments, she did not sugarcoat the agency's shortcomings. Collins described 2021 as the most challenging year taxpayers and tax professionals have ever experienced. Pause. Do you know that till this day in 2022, the IRS is still dealing with issues from the Bernie Madoff Ponzi scheme? And this is over 10 years later. Continue. Even now, the IRS is still dealing with millions of 2021 tax returns, unprocessed forms, and unanswered customer service requests. It's scrambling to deal with pandemic programs like stimulus checks and advanced child tax credit payments. It's underfunded and overwhelmed. And there's a good chance all of that will lead to further chaos. The backlog of returns and the IRS's meager budget are among the many factors that are likely to negatively impact the 2022 filing season, according to the report. Yeah, the federal government has not signed a budget. We got budgets to give foreigners hundreds of millions of dollars, but we can't even take care of our own coffers. Case in point, the IRS is struggling to cope with the historic level of calls from confused taxpayers. Last year, only 11% of the 282 million phone calls the IRS received were answered by representatives. Even more alarming, the report used the word delay 277 times. In fact, it said the unprecedented processing and refund delays taxpayers experienced in 2021 could be as bad and potentially worse in 2022 if certain improvements aren't made. How to avoid the tax refund delays in 2022. You don't necessarily need to panic. Many tax returns and refunds sailed through the IRS system without incident last year. The issue is that the ones that didn't really didn't. Usually the IRS issues 90% of refunds within 21 days of receiving someone's tax return. But as of December 23, the IRS had 6 million unprocessed individual returns. For those with errors or that require special handling by IRS employees, refunds can take up to 120 days, according to the agency. More than 2 million amended returns are still clearing too, which can take more than 20 weeks. Collins recommended a slew of solutions, and obviously, the IRS is trying to get back up to speed as best it can. Commissioner Chuck Rettig said in a recent news release that the IRS teams have been working nonstop these past several months to prepare. But there are steps you can take to maximize your chances of receiving your refund in a timely manner. First, file your taxes electronically. Last year, the IRS got more than 17 million individual income tax returns on paper, some of which took the agency at least 8 months to process, according to the report. Depending on your income level, you may be eligible to take advantage of the IRS Free File program, which allows Americans to file their federal taxes for free using an online tax prep service. The tax day deadline is April 18th for most people this year, and the sooner you file, the sooner you can theoretically get your tax refund. Second, check your numbers. Math errors take the IRS time to resolve. The report specifically highlights how people who don't properly reconcile items like their third stimulus checks and advanced child tax credit payments could encounter delays. To do this, you want to look out for letters 6475 and 6419 from the IRS, which are being mailed now. They'll display how much money you received and provide guidance on how to claim credits for any funds you believe you're still owed. Pause. Another way to speed up your tax return is to not try and rush and take your last pay stub to your accountant or to H&R Block and have them figure it out. Wait till you get your actual documents, whether that be a 1099, an 1120, or a W-2. I haven't been employed in a while. I've been self-employed for the last decade, so I forgot about W-2s. Third, opt into direct deposit. Yes, please. And I see this all too often, seeing as I have family who works directly for the IRS, and they see it too. And I'm a licensed tax preparer. I see it all too often. People get scammed. They'll go to their tax advisor. The tax advisor will say, okay, we're going to put this in my bank account, and then I send you a check later out of what gets deposited. And then they take a few thousands of your dollars, and then they send it over. Just like if you go to H&R Block, Jackson Hewitt, Liberty Tax, all that, they charge about $600 to start, and that's as a simple 1040. Plus, they charge you up to $50 per page. So when you come in, because you was busting ass with 4 jobs, well, you've got multiple W-2s, so they're going to charge you $50 per page. So your refund gets really, really, really trashed. So please go to the IRS and get your taxes done directly. Third, opt into direct deposit. Taxpayers with direct deposit information on file with the IRS typically get their refunds faster than those who must wait for paper checks in the mail. It's safe, and you can divide your refund among accounts if you like. Plus, it'll help with any future stimulus checks or child tax credit payments that you're due. They literally, if you get like a stimulus, they'll just put it in your account. You won't even notice. You'll just be like, where'd I get this extra $600? And ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth, to schedule a one-on-one appointment with a licensed financial professional, or to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with an instant decision and no medical exam, the links are in the description. With that being said, wipe ass. Work in progress every day and see success. Salute, salute, salute.
Hey folks, this last video was sponsored by my company, where we help people like you to reach their financial goals. We do this through a simple conversation where we help to identify and then protect your lifestyle, and then we implement a plan. The process starts at about an hour. So, if you want more information, or you want to schedule a consult, contact me via the information in the description box, and let's talk and see if we're actually a great fit for each other. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Thank you, and enjoy life.